repairing
Now we are going to read the kitchen.
the kitchen.
What is this? This is
Cabinet.
this
Chimney.
is toaster,
Toaster. Stove.
utensil,
Utensil.
sink,
Sink.
chopping board,
Chopping board.
refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
This is refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
This is
Oven.
this is dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
This is microwave.
Microwave.